So if you follow any of my page, you know that I've been working on a project flip house and it is done, and today's my birthday and I have a fun story to share. I have the sweetest story to tell. So obviously today's my birthday. I made sure to let everybody know. By the way, here's the house that's finished. But anyway, well, there were some people looking at homes nearby and I just went over and asked them if they wanted to take. All right, well, we showed them the house. It looked like they really loved it. They were there with their family, and of course I mentioned it was my birthday because I'm telling everybody. And yeah, so they said that they'd be in contact if they were interested, but it looked like they really liked the house. Well, anyway, they texted and said, hey, are you still there? Will you wait for us? And they said they're at the door. And they came back with a cake and a card. Oh, they even put my last name on it because I gave them my card. Anyway, that made me feel awfully special, but I just wanted to share. The family said I was really nice, and I don't know if they actually think I'm really nice or if they're actually really interested in the house, but either way, it was such a sweet gesture. Happy birthday to me. And here's just a couple preview photos of the finished home. To see more of how this renovation came together, like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram at makingkarma so you can see this renovation story.